What's up? I am Fooey. Hey, hello to my fans, my friends, and my fanatics. Today I'm gonna be... I can rename this? No. Okay. Uh-oh. Today I'm gonna be continuing on with hybrid animals, because you guys seemed to really like this series. So, let's get it. So, yeah, I was outside this owl guy's house, because I was, playing that one game. What? I'll explain it later. But, it was that one game. And, I got copyright claimed. So, I'm not gonna do that again. So, I guess we'll go back to Nubia. And I'll just dink around here and see. I came to Nubia. Because they have things. And there's also some chests around here. I got to level up. I don't want to spend any of my points yet. I think I made a house, but I don't remember if I did. Titanium, sure. I don't know if I made a house or not. Oh, look around. Tiny gorilla tiger. Cute. I'll look around. I'm unsure if I made a house, though. Oh, yep, this is my house. Not what I meant to click. Inventory. Yeah, so my inventory is full, and I got these tall things. Okay. I'll just put it like around my house. I don't really care where it is. There's my luxurious stone wall. There we go. Oh yeah, I put these lights in my house, and I really don't know why. Okay, so that'll be helpful. Can I make a basket? Yes, I want to place this object right here. I don't know what I need that, but I'll put the lock in there. Stone bricks in there. Gold ore. I can place this wood chair. My house looks so nice, guys. I'll keep those. I don't know why I have this tree. Get in the bin. Get in the bin. Combine these sticks. Always keep your inventory organized. I learned that when I played Minecraft. It's really important to keep your inventory organized. Oh yeah. Sorry there, guys. My video just cut out for a minute. I don't want a mystery box. I'm gonna combine two videos because the video kind of lagged out. So, sorry for the quality. I wonder what I can use these berries for. And what's this sign? Road to Yandi. Can I use this drill now? Unequipped. Did I gain anything? No. Avoid, avoid, avoid. Trees. Chest. Oh, I forgot. Is that bear pig okay? I don't know what these animals are, but I really hope they're... Oh, that's mad. 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 Go in this random house. Oh, this is a mine. Okay. Uranium. I'll take uranium. That seems suspicious. But I'll take it, because loot doesn't stay forever. Why not get the bone? I don't know what you can use bones for. Oh, inventory full. Eat. What does eating probably gets your health up. Just get in the bin. Oh, I hope that curl salmon is gone. And it's also day, so hopefully that'll help. I'm just trying to get, okay, this must be Yandi. I'm just trying to get a general base for the game set up. Who is this? Nope. 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 Why do they look so weird? Why do I look weird? Why is this game weird? Why is this earth weird? Nope. I think that was a pineapple plus gorilla. I don't know. I don't know. Oh yeah, I should re-equip my sword. This game is terrifying. It makes me want to cry. Just kill the thing already! Probably mining and health. And power. I'll save that one. Oh, nope, not what okay. This game is, I don't want the mastery. I didn't want. Why is there so many chests over here? Oh, that's a mantis raccoon. I don't know if they're mean, but I'm still gonna. I don't know if that's good. I can get that like anywhere from the looks of it. Oh, I really just want to get away so that salmon mantis doesn't kill me. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. So I'll continue the series if this video gets 3 likes. Nope. I will continue the series if I don't die. If I die, then I can't continue the series. I apologize. Run. Ah. This music is nice though. Well, I don't know what this town is, but it's nice to not be dying. Where is this? Heartwood. Okay. Interesting paintings. Okay. I want to sell the coins! Goodbye. Wait, can I paint? I'm gonna paint food. I need the big, and I need the purple, and I need to draw. I am not an artist. Don't sue me. Nope, undo. I don't like that. They don't, oh, can I make a custom? Bet. No, purple. Lavender. It's a little light, darker than I wanted, but. Doop. Boop. Sub. Save. Accept. Oh, well. You know what that means, guys. You gotta like and subscribe.